Hi folks, we're back here with our commercial project and now we finished. We've got all our drawings set up here. The elevations, probably shouldn't have hit that one. There goes our sanitary. And then let's have a look at our 3D view here. And then what happens here, we take this and we'll put it into our Autodesk viewer. And this is something you use if you don't have Navisworks. So I uploaded this into the viewer. It's a few viewer. And where did I get it? There it is. So there we're in the 3D viewer. So this is our model. Now here we got a lot of things, a lot of functions, and even here, these are our sheets. So these are all of our sheets that we had generated over in Revit. So they come across, here's our under slab plan drawing that came across. So this is pretty cool. So now this works really well if you don't have things like Navisworks. Just check out our elevations here. So for instance, you didn't have Navisworks, you can use this viewer. It's absolutely free. This is taking a little while to load because this is a realistic view. Came in pretty good, I guess. But you don't want to do realistic. You want to get it done, work properly. So here, let's go back into our 3D view and let's look at some of the functions of the viewer here, which is very cool. So here you have your home view. You will select that. It'll take you to your home view. This is flip view. And then you have pan. You can pan through here. And you can zoom by just pulling the mouse up or down. I like to use the wheel. You can go back and pan. And you can orbit. I would go back to home and then I would orbit around like so. Now, one of my favorite features here is the section feature. So you can go in here and do let's do a section here. You select this guy and let's do a Z-plane. And you see the little arrow here, similar to Navisworks. You can just drag it up or down. So I'm going to drag it down and you can see our HVAC in the ceiling area here. Then we can go down and we can also see our cabinets and bring it on down. And there's our joists. So that's pretty neat for your presentations. So you want to do like a 3D floor plan and then you can go back to the home view here and just bring this guy back up. Another thing you could do here is you can use your section again in another plane. So I'm in section view and want to section. I'm going to select this plane here and then an arrow comes in this view and then I can pull it in and see the section of the building through a long section here. So this is pretty neat, I think. Okay, you got to make sure you grab that yellow. Yeah, there you go. Happy birthday. Okay, so we can drag that back and forth there. Okay. And then also, you can explode this thing. So I can just go right here and I can hit explode. And I get this wheel and I can just go. So I can explode the entire model and go in and I can select elements here. Like I can select this and I can right click and I can show the properties of it. Okay. Now I'm going to bring this back and it's just this little slide bar here. You just pull it and it'll pull everything back together. And last but not least, you've got the third person tool. But that won't be last. There's a few more nice things here I want to show you here. So you can go in here now and you can go and say first person. And these are your navigation tools that you want to use here. And you want to say okay. And now I'm in first person. So just drop me right to the ground, and now I can walk around here. Can walk here. There's our reception area. You can keep walking and looking here. Let's go into our area where we have the stair. This is it right here. So it's pretty cool. Let me see if we can go up the stairs like we would do in Navisworks. Let me see if I can do this. We just go walk forward. Yes, it goes up the stairs. I'm gonna see if I don't fall. I can go up, continue up. Go forward, up, turn around. And close this. And I'll go up to the top here. And I can look around. So this is pretty neat how this all works. Next thing I want to do here, I want to show you that we can go and say, look at let's go in some of our plan drawings, so our under slab. You can come in here. You can do measurements. Let me see how this is working. Okay, 96 inches. Is that right? That's about right. Okay, I'm gonna clear that out. You can do angles here. You can also mark up. So I can use a pencil and I can say, you know, or mark things up, circle here, and then you know how you got your colors. You can check things out here, say here, this is good, and then you can do arrows. You can go say, okay, and then you can show in different colors. So this is pretty good, and then you would want to save that and send it to your client or whatever, and this works with every one of these sheets. So I'm going to go back, go back here now and wrap this guy up. So that's basically how the viewer works. And you want to use this for your presentation drawings. And you can share this. So if you want to share this or print this out here, you can click here and it'll give you a link that you can email it around to somebody. So hey guys, thanks for watching this video. This is the conclusion of the Commercial House series. Thanks for watching, and if you didn't get it from the beginning, go and try it from the beginning. Boom. All right, folks, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Everybody be safe. Please subscribe. Bye.